Look at this dashboard. We're tracking live performance metrics, active product counts, and automated inventory alerts across multiple distribution centers. This entire system was built from scratch in less than 5 minutes, and it required zero coding experience to put together. We built this using an AI-powered low-code development platform. You simply describe the software you want, and the AI handles the complex architecture behind the scenes. The system is designed specifically for non-technical users, and you can build your first application entirely on their free tier. The technical barrier to building software is gone. If you can follow instructions for the next 5 minutes, you can build a working application. First, head over to the platform. You can skip the long registration forms and use a single-click logging with your Google or LinkedIn account. Once you are in, verify that your account is set to the free tier, which is built perfectly for solo founders and small teams testing out new concepts. The main dashboard presents you with 3 paths for your new project: building an application, creating a business analytics tool, or setting up integration flows. We are building a core software system today, so select the application route. Now, instead of picking a pre-made template or starting completely from scratch, select the specific AI assistant feature. Selecting this path replaces manual layout design with high-level direction. You provide the functional requirements, and the AI handles the interface construction. To get the right architecture, the AI requires a highly specific set of instructions. Think of this as your master prompt. Here is the exact prompt we are using for this build. Create a sales and inventory management application for my store, where I can track sales and inventory. I should know which products are best-selling, not selling enough, and out of stock. It should notify me to restock. The AI reads those instructions and immediately generates a list of functional use cases, extracting features like stock level monitoring and low stock alerts. Review these use cases to confirm they match your goals, then proceed to the data model generation phase. This next screen is full of complex database terminology and backend structures. If you don't have a coding background, completely ignore the technical jargon here and just click the Create Application button. The system will take a few minutes to process. Do not refresh the page, the application hasn't frozen. During this wait, the AI is doing the heavy lifting of a developer. It is setting up relational databases, designing the front-end layout, and linking the logic flows together. When the build finishes, click Access Application to view your new dashboard layout. You will see that the interface is already populated with dummy data. This allows you to immediately observe how the charts and metrics function visually. To prove this is a working system, navigate to the product module to manually add a new item into the live database. Enter your qualitative details first. Type in a test SKU, name the product table, assign it a brand name, and set the category to furniture. Next, input the quantitative logic. Enter a cost of $2,000, a sale price of $8,000, and set the critical reorder threshold to 100 units. Click Submit to push this entry into the live system. Head back to your main inventory dashboard. The database immediately registers the new table and updates the active visual reporting. That successful entry confirms you own a fully functional database application that processes and reacts to real-world inputs. In a traditional coding environment, a developer would need to manually write the database schemas, design the front-end forms, and code the logic for every chart. This platform compressed that entire workflow into a few minutes. For your next step, spend 7 to 10 days experimenting with the platform. Add new modules, test different inputs, and learn how the underlying logic connects. Once you understand how to structure these applications, you can pitch custom software solutions to local businesses and charge high profit margins for your setups. Drop your specific custom app ideas in the comments below. I'll select a few of you for a one-on-one consultation to help map out your exact build. Automation has turned software creation into a task of clear communication. If you can map out a business process, you now have the tools to turn that process